In an era where data, deterrence, and defense intersect, technology is rewriting the rules of national security. This is Voice of DADA, a platform that explores how modern tools like energy systems, water security, and precision weaponry define sovereignty. Today, we take you inside a critical moment in Pakistan's defense history, Operation Bunyad-ul-Marsus. A part of a verse of the Quran means a wall made of meat, which means unbreakable wall or defense. On May 9, 2025, the Indian Air Force initiated coordinated strikes targeting multiple high-value military assets inside Pakistan. These included Noor Khan Air Base near Rawalpindi, Shorkot Air Base in Punjab, and Mureed Air Base. These were not isolated incidents, they were escalations. In the early hours of May 10, 2025, Pakistan launched Operation Bunyad-ul-Marsus, the foundation of the watchful. This was not a broad-based counterstrike, but a focused operation rooted in surveillance, data fusion, and advanced firepower. Key Indian installations were struck precisely, proportionally, and in full accordance with national defense directives. At the core of the operation was Fatah 1, a surface-to-surface guided missile system developed indigenously by Pakistan. With a strike range of 150 kilometers, Fatah 1 offers real-time positional correction, GPS guidance, and high-impact warhead capability, making it one of South Asia's most advanced tactical strike options. Fatah 1's solid fuel propulsion enables fast launch readiness. Its mobile launcher design allows for agile movement and rapid redeployment across varied terrains. It bridges the strategic gap between conventional artillery and cruise missiles, offering a highly cost-effective platform for quick and decisive battlefield engagements. Following the success of Fatah 1, Pakistan's defense complex is advancing development on Fatah 2 with a projected range of 400 kilometers and expanded targeting capability. This evolution reinforces Pakistan's shift towards strategic autonomy through indigenous R&D. During the course of the engagement, Pakistan's integrated air defense network was activated to counter incoming drones and aerial threats. A key component of this defense was the HQ-9 system, developed in cooperation with China. The HQ-9 is a long-range surface-to-air missile platform equipped with phased-array radar and capable of engaging targets up to 200 kilometers away, including cruise missiles, UAVs, and high-speed aircraft. Its deployment enabled early detection and interception of several airborne threats during the initial phases of the conflict. It also involved coordinated action by the Pakistan Air Force. In the course of the aerial engagements, 5 Indian aircraft were intercepted and downed, including 3 Rafale jets, 1 MiG-29, and 1 Su-30 through synchronized radar tracking, command and control coordination, and precision target acquisition. Additionally, strike assets were directed against segments of India's S-400 surface-to-air missile system, with confirmed disruption of radar and launcher components as part of the broader effort to degrade adversarial air defense coverage. This operation signaled a new phase in regional deterrence. Instead of overwhelming volume, the focus was on precision, timing, and control. By integrating satellite intelligence, digital strike logistics, and domestically built systems like Fatah 1, Pakistan demonstrated that deterrence now belongs to those who innovate faster, not those who are bigger. As global threats evolve, so must our defense strategies, guided by indigenous capability, digital command, and smart precision tools. Fatah 1 is more than a missile. It is a message of preparedness and calculated resolve. At Voice of DADA, we document how technologies like these, whether for defense, water security, or energy systems, are building the resilient nations of tomorrow. Stay informed, stay alert, and keep watching. Must subscribe Voice of DADA for updates.